Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of the Inside Story. I know this video is a lot different from the previous videos, but as an engineering student, I know how it feels to be overwhelmed with a lot of work and feel like you are not getting anything done. But guess what? You don't have to struggle anymore. In this video, I'm going to share you 5 productivity tips so that you can start crossing over your to-dos and be the best version of yourself. Trust me, these tips have made a huge difference on my own life and I can't wait to share with you guys. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started with the first point. Start with just 5 minutes. If you don't feel like doing anything, start the work for just 5 minutes. Chances are after 5 minutes you will end up doing the whole thing. That is what Kevin System, co-founder of Instagram, does when he feel like procrastinating. It is okay to be a little lazy sometimes, but actually getting started with the things can make you more productive and actually get the things done. This simple trick will help you overcome the initial reluctance and get the balls rolling. It is just like inertia. Instead of letting the procrastination win and leaving the task unfinished, if you start doing these things step by step, you will actually overcome the hurdles and you won't feel like you are doing work anymore. You might be amazed, but actually breaking these tasks into simpler forms will get you more in less time. The second point is get good sleep. When you sleep, you feel more energized and you are ready to do your best. That's why Ariana Huffington, CEO and co-founder of Thrive Global, thinks it is important to get enough sleep. Even though some people think that staying up a little late and working a lot is a good thing, it can actually make you a lot less effective at work and also you will feel more stressed out. So instead of staying up late, it is better to go on a bed and get some good sleep. That way your brain can recharge and you will be able to take better decisions and do your best in the next day. Third tip is plan for tomorrow. Before you go to sleep, plan for the next day. Take a look at what you have to do and split it into 2 parts. Things that you can't change, more like schedules or meetings, and things that you can move around. Write the things you can't change, like appointments or meetings with people, so you can figure out what your day will look like. Then write down the other things that you have to do, things that you can move around. This way, when you wake up, you know what to do and you know what your day will look like. The next tip is drink water. Too cold. Alright, start your day by drinking a huge glass of water. It might seem simple, but trust me, proper hydration is a key to more productive and energetic day. Even a 2% drop in the hydration level will actually cause a lot of decline in mental functions. And speaking of drinking water, if you ever feel sluggish, do not just try to reach out to coffee or energy drinks. Sometimes it's not just the caffeine, but you are lacking proper hydration. This simple step can help you avoid cravings for junk food, be productive and do your best throughout the day. It is like a fuel for the brain and the body, so make sure you get enough fuel to crush it every day. And the best part is it is natural, it is free and it can do wonders in your body and minds. The last tip is avoid multitasking. Do not try to do many things at once. Remember Steve Jobs, the famous guy who started Apple? He said, focusing means saying no to hundreds of good ideas. That is because doing too many things at the same time is not a good idea. It might seem that you are getting a lot of things done, but actually you are just running from one thing to another, then to another as quickly as possible and you will never get one thing done properly.
Focusing is about saying no. Focusing is about saying no. And you've got to say no, no, no. And when you say no, you piss off people. And they go talk to the San Jose Mercury and they write a shitty article about you. You know? And it's really a pisser. Because you want to be nice. You don't want to tell the San Jose Mercury, the person that's telling you this, you know, just was asked to leave or this or that or this or that.
So instead of trying to do a lot of things at once, just focus on one and do that task properly. And if you need help focusing, there are so many apps that will keep you on the track. Like you can adjust your notifications or maintain a to-do list and many more. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more content. And this is the Inside Story signing off.